Hi everyone! In today's style, I wanted to show you how I do a messy bun. This is my older daughter's favorite hairstyle, and I hope you'll like it too. It's real quick and easy to do, so it only takes maybe 5 minutes to get done. So the first thing I'm going to do is just spray the hair down so that I get all the flyaways in place. And then I'm going to pick up a section of hair at the top, and I'm going to create a small rectangle at the center of the hair. So to do that, I'm going to add a part on either side and just trying to make them about even, and just a section off the hair. Once I get all my parts in place, I'm just going to comb the hair down, smooth it out, and then I'm going to take a thick elastic to hold the hair in place. I find if your daughter has thicker hair, you definitely want one of the thick, goody type elastics for this style. Next, just brush all of the hair out, and I will link in the description box where you can get my favorite brush. Next, pick up the hair with a clear elastic and make one little bubble. Then you're going to twist the elastic to put it in again, pick up the rest of the hair and make another little bubble. From there, gather all the bubbles in your hand and wrap the remaining hair around it if you have extra hair. From here, you're going to hold it in place and you're going to stick bobby pins around the edge of it. Now, what you're really concentrating on here is holding that hair you wrapped in place. Once you do that, now you're going to come back. See all that hair sticking out there? I'm just going to take a bobby pin, hold it into place to stick it down. So this is where you're going through, and anything sticking out that looks a little funny, just bobby pin it into place. Don't worry about it being perfect. It's a messy bun, so it doesn't need to look perfect. From here, the only other thing I would add would be some spray gel or hairspray. This will just help it hold in place. And then I like to add a bow kind of towards the side of the messy bun that I just put in. And that's all you have to do. It's the same if you put it up or down. So I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting the red button below.